So you've got yourself a new bike to put together. In some sense, this build's going to be similar to a lot of other builds. They'll tend to have the same basic stuff. It's going to be wheels and shifters and derailleurs and a saddle. But this particular build is going to bring a whole new skill set and thought process with it, as these different components are going to be more complex, made of different materials, with unique and proprietary designs. It's going to require a little more thinking on the front end.
Yeah, it's important to think about how the bike is going to be used, and also think about the user and any kind of intricacies that they bring to the table. This rider is going to be spending over 10 hours a week riding this bike, both indoors and outdoors, and riding it hard, which produces a lot of sweat and all sorts of added strains.
So, to begin, we're first going to stop.
That's right. Before you begin, stop, think, organize, proceed.
So let's talk about what this stop means to us on this build.
The S in stop really does mean stop. This means you need to stop and realize that things are about to get more complex and that a plan is needed to proceed efficiently.
The T stands for think. Think about what tools, lubes, compounds, and repair stand the build will require, as well as knowledge that you will need before getting started.
The O stands for organize. Time to get last week's work off the bench, get things put away, and start afresh. Now we can think about how to organize all these parts and pieces of this build, as well as the order in which the process should go. This is especially important with a bike like this, as before I can even remove the rear wheel, I should get the shifting operational. And to do that, I'll need to get all the wiring hooked up and the battery installed.
The final letter is P, and that is proceed. This means proceed with caution and understanding that your planning and organization may not have accommodated for every single small anomaly. There are going to be more curveballs down the road that may require you to stop again. So if you don't like the stop, make your own system. Make your own acronym, like S.C.R.AP. Stop, clean up that mess, research, analyze, and proceed.
Or maybe you're more of a S.O.A.P person. Stop, organize, assess, and party on. But as always, know your limitations and understand when and where to seek help before sauntering down the path of no return. One of the greatest pieces of knowledge anyone has ever taught me is you don't have to have every answer to be an expert, but you better know where to find the correct answer.
Thanks for joining us
on Tech Tuesday.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed Tech Tuesdays, check out our Repair Help video library, which has detailed guides to a wide variety of common bike maintenance procedures. And of course, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for the latest videos from Park Tool.